Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Ashley, in case some of you guys didn't know that. If you didn't know that, it's probably because you're new. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like button, and all of that good stuff. So in today's video, I will be talking about my business, which is Beauty with Ashlie LLC. I do have an LLC, by the way. So the name Beauty with Ashlie came about 5 years ago when I first started YouTube. I have been doing YouTube for 5 years ago on my first channel, which is Beauty with Ashlie. So it's the name Beauty with Ashlie been here for quite a while. And yeah, so I decided to name my business Beauty with Ashlie. And then as far as the products that we have right now, which is just like strictly lashes, but soon I'm gonna have hair and lip gloss and scarves and bonnets and all of that good stuff. It's like gonna be your one-stop beauty shop. But as of right now, we are starting with lashes. Back to the name Beauty with Ashlie. I actually wanted to start this business since I started YouTube, but I didn't have, much fun to start with. And back in 2017, I wanted to start a lip gloss business or whatever. And then I was friend with this person. I'm still friends with her, I guess. I don't know. She never hit me up. If I don't hit her up, she's not gonna hit me up. So I don't know if that's a friend. I don't know. Whatever though. I was friend with this person, and I told her I wanted to start a lip gloss business, and then she was like, "Girl, you can find lip gloss at the beauty supply store. Nobody not gonna buy a lip gloss from you." So then I got discouraged, and I did not start the lip gloss business that I wanted to start. But now, if I had started back in 2017, everybody and their mama and their cousin and their sister and their daddy is doing lip gloss now. They're selling lip gloss now. And I could have started that. But because I listened to someone else, I didn't, However, we are going to have lip gloss, and we are going to have lipsticks. We are going to have makeup. We're going to have everything on beautywithashlie.com. That's my website. But back to our topic. As of right now, we have lashes. We have 10 different styles of lashes on our website right now. We have something from I am actually wearing some of my one pair of my lashes. This is the style Classy. On our website, it's called Classy. And I believe this is my 3rd time wearing this lashes, and it's in great condition. My lashes are 100% mink lashes. I made sure with my vendor that it's gluten free. I don't even know how to say it, but I make sure with my vendor that it is 100% mink lashes. And y'all, just give my lashes a try, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I am going to be showing you guys the packaging and the box and everything. So yeah, this is the packaging. This is how it comes from my vendor. See here. And I wanted my logo to be in it. If you guys not following me on Instagram, you guys don't know how my logo actually looks like. This is just a logo that is just made for simply lashes. For me, my vendor made it for me just for lashes, but my real logo, my business logo, I am going to be posting a picture right here. So this is the packaging, you guys. It just says Beauty with Ashlie with the little lashes and eyebrows, super duper cute. And these are one pair of our lashes. This is 25 millimeter. As you can see, it is very full and thick and fluffy. This is for our glam girls that's just ready to be rocking 25 millimeter lashes, and that's just that, period. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to be looking for the name for you guys, because I don't actually have the name on the packaging, which I should have. I forgot to show you guys the back. I just have my Instagram name, the Facebook, and the website for the business. This, I don't have the name on the packaging, which I should have. Okay guys, like I was saying, I don't have the name for the lashes on the packaging, which I should have. I should have made sure with my vendor that I wanted the name to be like on the box or whatever, but I did not, which is not a problem. I always, like when I'm promoting on Instagram, I always make sure that I put the name of the lash that I'm showing. This lash is actually the glow on our website. Make sure you guys go to my website, which is www.beautywithashlie.com. It'll be in the screen and also in the description box. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. The business Instagram is beautywithashlie LLC, and then my personal Instagram is beautywithashlie. So we are doing a giveaway. Okay, so I want to give away 2 pair of lashes and then 2 lip gloss when my lip gloss comes out. So the rules are super simple, like super simple, super easy. So what do you have to do to win 2 pair of lashes and 2 lip gloss? You can either get lip gloss tubes or lip gloss squeeze the little squeeze lip gloss. So yeah, all you gotta do is basically subscribe to my channel, Ashlie Ava. All you gotta do is just subscribe to my channel, Ashlie Ava. Make sure you like this video and go on my Instagram, Beauty with Ashlie. Make sure you follow that Instagram, and then go to my business Instagram, Beauty with Ashlie LLC, and follow that Instagram, and then repost. I'm gonna be creating a flyer. Make sure you guys repost that flyer, and then tag Beauty with Ashlie and Beauty with Ashlie LLC, and then all you have to do is comment in the comment section below, and then tell me what kind of lashes that you want. Or you can either do it on Instagram, like comment on the Instagram flyer that you reposted. You can post the type of, you know what, you don't even have to do that. I could just DM you on Instagram and ask you what kind of lashes you want. So yeah, you don't even have to do that. All you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ashlie Ava. Like this video, I will check. Like this video, and follow my business Instagram, Beauty with Ashlie LLC. Follow my personal Instagram, Beauty with Ashlie, and then repost the flyer and tag Beauty with Ashlie and Beauty with Ashlie LLC. That's all you have to do, and you can win 2 pair of lashes and 2 lip gloss. You can either get tubes or wand. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys like this video. I hope that I cover everything that I wanted to cover in this video. I know once I'm done with this video, I'm gonna say to myself, like, I should have said this, I should have said that, because like this always happens to me. But okay guys, I hope I covered everything. I hope that you guys like this video. And guys, please, okay, this is serious, please, you guys stay safe out there. I heard there's coronavirus out there, so you guys stay safe. Don't go outside unless you really have to. Stay in your home. Stay in your home. We ain't got time for the coronavirus, and that's on that. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Bye guys.